All right, guys, the first step of making ponche de crema is get yourself some egg yolks, get rid of those whites, put these bad boys into a bowl, and we're gonna beat them literally for 12 to 15 minutes. I don't have a stand mixer, but I do have this electric hand mixer, so I'm gonna stand here for 10 to 12 to 15 minutes to beat these eggs for you guys. Next, you're gonna add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Whip this around again for about another minute to incorporate the sweetened condensed milk into our beautiful egg yolk. Add a can of evaporated milk, and then just incorporate this. Heat up this ponche de crema on the stove. So I got my little hot plate, got a nice little pot, and here is the magic right here. We're gonna pour this into the pot, and we're gonna warm it up on medium-low heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. Continuously stir and heat. Don't leave this alone, because it will burn pretty quickly. So keep stirring it all the time. This stuff has gotten, quite a bit thicker. And oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I threw in a cinnamon stick too. So it's gotten a little thicker. Make sure you really give it some aggressive stir and keep that stuff off the bottom. All right, 2 teaspoons of good old-fashioned vanilla. And of course, ponche de crema requires Venezuelan rum. 1 cup ought to do it, but if it's been one of those winners, put in 2. The perfect pour. This needs to go in the fridge for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. It's been a long day at work waiting to try this stuff, and I'm so excited to give it the old college try. Now, I have it under good authority from Mrs. Zamora. It's supposed to be a little thick like this. But I don't know. I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie. All right. Smells really, really good, guys. Smells really good. Let me get a bar spoon, give it a little twizz. Got some crushed ice in here. We're gonna shave a little bit of fresh nutmeg on top, because I think fresh nutmeg makes most holiday drinks just come alive. Let's say make a ponche de crema. Let's give it the old college try. Before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Feliz Navidad. Okay. That is really, really tasty. It's thick. It's thick on the palate, so I'm assuming as the ice melts, it's going to become thinner and a little bit easier to drink. But it is very, very rich, very tasty. Not sweet, but sweet. It's weird. It's a really weird taste. Has an eggnog-like flavor, but it's got a little caramely notes going on in there too. It's actually very, very, very good. Now, for Mrs. Zamora and I want to wish all of our friends and families, and especially you viewers, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad a nuestras familias y amigos y feliz años nuevos para todos.